Good evening, all of you. Can you hear me? So that I can start. So I hope all of you have written the test in my mobile app. If you're not written, I have given the app. Please write. Then you come to the discussion. That will be better. Otherwise, you want to attend also next week. Just confirm my audio and screen is visible. You can see the 18 October and my audio. Can you hear my audio? Is it clear? Audible, sir. Okay, Mani Bharati has said audible. Fine. Okay, so what happens is, see, every time we prepare, we study too much of things, but we normally don't give time for measuring our preparation. Okay, so weekly we need to conduct a test. Okay, so this is from the weekly which I have taken preamble. Last week I have taken preamble. So from this, yeah, somebody answer this question. What is the answer? Okay, which of the following respect? Okay, T in our constitution. See, always you have to see whether I am asking correct or incorrect. Okay, sometimes I'll ask incorrect, but you may think it is correct. Okay, so I'm asking correct. How many of the above statements are correct? Okay, so preamble gives source of authority. It is correct. Okay, what is the source of authority of a constitution? Who can tell me? Please use the comment. What is the source of authority? What is source of authority? Source of authority is the people. Okay, people are the source of authority. Okay, that is from the constitution, because the preamble starts, we the people of India, right? And we give ourselves this constitution. So the authority comes from the people. Preamble is inspired from UK constitution. Is this correct? Is it preamble UK constitution? Where is preamble taken from? Who can tell me? Use the comment box. Okay, please participate in this. Okay, Mani Bharati, okay, Ashwati, okay, Arya, very good, very good. All of you please answer the question. Okay, the preamble is taken from USA. Okay, isn't it? From USA constitution only we have taken this. That is why US constitution and Indian constitution both start with the three-letter word, same three-letter word. We the people of, here it is India, there it is. Okay, preamble was never amended. Okay, that statement is also wrong, because we amended on 42nd amendment in 1976. We amended this. Okay, so how many statement is correct? Okay, only one statement is correct. Okay, only one statement is correct. Okay, next question. Okay, which of the following event is connected with the 1861 Council Act? Very easy question. Okay, I have repeatedly said that it is 1961 Council Act. Portfolio system was introduced. Portfolio system was introduced. That means departments were created. Departments were created, right? Now somebody tell me, the Public Works Department, who created Public Works Department? Anybody? Who created Public Works Department? Who created Public Works Department? Okay, so that is the thing. See, when you read a question, when you analyze one question, you also try to understand what are other options also saying. Okay, the Public Works Department was created by Dalhousie. When Dalhousie was a Governor General, he only created Public Works Department. Okay, so that also you have to learn. Okay, and separate electorate. So this was by Dalhousie. Okay, so all of you should have a notebook and write down this. Okay, separate electorate was introduced in 1905. Okay, partition of Bengal is sorry, not 1905, 1909. Partition of Bengal happens in 1905. Okay, all of you please use the chat box and answer your question. Okay, don't wait that I'll give the answers. You also take part. Okay, that is how it goes. Okay. Yeah, any doubts you can ask me. Okay, all of you have my WhatsApp number. You can use it also. You can ask me also in that as well. Okay. Yeah, then comes, see, the question numbering may be different in your test, because I have jumbled the question so that it's not same, people don't get any copy and all. Okay, so this question I'm expecting a very, very, very important question. Okay, this year UPSC can ask this question. Large language models, also known as LLM. Okay, so here I have given the match the following. Okay, and I am asking which is select correct one. Okay, Google Bard is actually correct. Okay, Meta is not Chat GPT. Okay, Meta has got LLMA2, so Meta should come here. Okay, and OpenAI comes with ChatGPT. Mistral 7B V 0.1 is that is correct. Okay, so 1 and 3 are correct. Okay, so here correction also write down what is the explanation of this. Meta has got LLMA, okay, Llama 2, and whereas this has got OpenAI is what ChatGPT. So these are examples of LLM, large language models. Okay, fine. Okay, so keep on answering it. Okay, whenever I'm asking question, take part in it. Okay, it's not simply you're sitting in this. Okay. So we discussed as a part of current affairs last week, RCEP, Sri Lanka is going to join, Bangladesh may join. Okay, that time I told you about what is India's position. Actually, two things which is started by China, which India is not participating. One is the BRI, okay, the other one is RCEP. Okay, both are dominated by China, but India is not joining it. Okay, and BRI, why India is not joining? Anybody tell me why India is not joining BRI? Okay, here India is active participant of RCEP. No, India is not joining at all. All ASEAN nations are member of RCEP. Correct. New Zealand is also member of RCEP. Correct. Okay, so only two statements, 2 and 3 are correct. Okay, RCEP India is not joining. Now somebody tell me, RCEP how much percentage of import duty they are eliminating? How much percentage of import duty they are eliminating? They are eliminating. How much percentage of import duty they are eliminating? That is a question. Okay, those who attended my class last week, they should know about it. Okay, and anybody watching this, you are not joined my classes. Okay, please let me know. Okay, message me. This is my number. Okay, and I'll help you. Live classes on daily basis. Early morning 5:30, evening 7 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Different timings we have got. Okay. Fine. What is that Ashika is saying? Which is not correctly matched. Which question you are asking? Okay. Okay. Look at this. This I have not seen. Okay, which is not correctly matched. Okay. So answer should be 1 and 3 are correctly matched. Okay. The answer should be 2 and 4. Okay. Even if I have made a question, I am making wrong. Okay. That is what the beauty of this question. Okay, come back this one. See, India is expected to, Modi ji has announced that 2036 India may host Olympic. Okay, so in this record we can expect some question. So first statement, India never hosted Olympics in its soil. That is correct. Okay, Abhinav Bindra won the first individual medals, gold. That is also correct. 2028 Olympics will be hosted in Los Angeles. Cricket will be one of the sport is also correct. So all the three statements are correct. Okay. Now let me ask you, when did Abhinav Bindra got the gold? Which was that and where was that? Which year and where? Okay. Siddharth, are you there? Are you there? Siddharth? This Anaga is asking, please help her with the link. Which BRI explanation you want? BRI means Belt and Road Initiative. Manibharati Belt and Road Initiative, and that is a big network of roadways, railways. It is created by China, and India is not joining it because one part of the BRI is known as China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. Okay, China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, which is passing through POK, which India does not like it. Okay, that is why we are not part of BRI. Okay. Now latch-in corridor, this question also I am expecting. This is a very, very important question, latch-in corridor, because recently what happened, Azerbaijan attacked one place, okay, Nagorno-Karabakh, okay, this place they attacked and they took it, controlled completely. Nobody knew, no news about it. Within 1 week they went and they removed all the rebel groups, all the militants, and they took it. And this is basically, if this is Azerbaijan, inside the Azerbaijan you got this territory. This territory is inside the Azerbaijan. Okay, but it is connected to Armenia through one road. Okay, so here it is Armenia. So please note down, take the atlas, find out all the neighboring countries of Azerbaijan, Armenia, Caspian Sea. Okay, expected question. Okay, this road connectivity is what is known as latch-in corridor. Okay, it's the only road which is connecting Armenia with the Nagorno-Karabakh. Okay, 2008 Beijing Olympics. Okay, very good. Everybody is answering. Okay. Okay, next one is this is also I have taken in the current affairs. India is going to buy a lot of drones, UAVs. Okay, okay, it is MALE and HA, the high altitude, medium altitude, long endurance. Okay, so MALE and HALE means it is a UAVs, unmanned aerial vehicle. M stands for medium altitude, long endurance, whereas HALE means high altitude, long endurance. Okay. Yeah, that time I told you in the class that India also has indigenously built the UAVs. Okay, can anybody name that? What is the name of the indigenous UAVs? Indigenous UAVs. Anybody? Hmm? Okay, I'm very happy everybody is actively participating. Okay. If you are not able to answer, no worries. Okay, don't worry. This is a very easy question. Okay, I don't think UPSC can again ask. But thing is, see, UPSC has a track record. At least 25% of the questions will be very easy. Anybody can answer with simple preparation. Okay, this is one question such. Okay, which is not a Kharif crop. Kharif crop means which season it is. Tell me. Kharif crop means which season. Rabi crops means which season. Tell me that. Okay. Here, which is the not Kharif. Okay. Groundnut is Kharif. Cotton is Kharif. But barley is not Kharif. Jowar is Kharif. Okay. Also tell me any other crop which is a Rabi crop. Please tell me. Who will tell me? Who is the first person? I'll give you apple. Okay, barley. Barley is correct answer. Okay, but other than barley, can you give me another example of Rabi crop? Yeah, Kharif is a rain crop and also known as summer crop. Okay, rain crop or summer crop. Now I want Gaganyan. Why Gaganyan is coming here? Huh? Okay, wheat is an example of Rabi crops. Very good. Okay, but most importantly, if you look at India as a country, India is partially in the tropical region, partially in the half of India is in tropical region and half of India is in a temperate region. So this Rabi and all comes only in the northern India. South India it is not there. Always it is only one season here. Okay. Now this is directly taken from NCRT. If remember, I have taken you 9th standard NCRT. No, this question is taken directly from the NCRT. Copy pasted you can say. According to 2011 census, 3 states have maximum poverty: Bihar, Odisha, and Assam. Okay, it is absolutely correct, Your Honor. Okay, now somebody tell me which state has got least poverty according to 2011 census. Which state has got least? Mustard is also a Rabi crop. Okay. See, robo-astronaut, I am coming to robo-astronaut. See, I told you already, the questions will be jumbled. Okay. Please bear with me. Next question I will make it that is not jumbled. Okay, I thought jumble means you will be more active. Okay, these questions are same questions which is in your app also. Same questions only, but the sequence is changed. Now tell me which state has got lowest poverty. That is the question. And also Sustainable Development Goals proposes ending all types of poverty by 2030. That statement is also correct. Okay, so first statement is second statement is correct, but third statement I am saying wrong. Why I am saying third statement wrong? What is the problem with the third statement? Lowest poverty I am asking. I am not asking the highest poverty. Highest poverty is Bihar. I am asking lowest poverty as per straight away from the NCRT. See, 2011 census only we have got. We don't have 2021 census. Because of COVID we have not taken it. Okay, so officially we have 2011 census only. Kerala has got least poverty. Then I told you education helping. The highest education is in Kerala and lowest poverty. Bihar has got lowest education and highest poverty. Okay, so that is the relation. Now third statement is wrong. Why I am saying third statement is wrong? Because 2400 calories as an acceptable calorie requirement comes in the rural area, not in urban area. So I have given rural area here. Okay, not in rural area. Rural area, how much is there? Okay, 2400. Urban area, it is 2100 calories. Again taken from NCRT. See, whenever I am teaching NCRT, you should also read the NCRT simultaneously. Okay, don't wait for it. NCRT pado, UPSC jeeto. Okay, if you want to win the UPSC, you have to read the NCRT properly and come to my class regularly. Attend all the tests. Every Wednesday test will be there. Okay, so before coming here, you should write the test and come. I will take up discussion at this time. Okay, now this question, how many of you went for this all three? Tell me. How many of you answered this question all three? First tell me, then I'll tell you why, what is the problem. How many of you has marked all three in this question? Okay, this question, how many of you marked all three correct? Okay, the problem is, see, I have asked you which is wrongly correct, but you don't see this. Directly you see 103rd amendment is 10% reservation for economically weaker section society, correct. 106 amendment 33% women reservation, correct. Mandal commission recommended for 27% reservation for OBC, all these are correct. But what I am asking is which is wrongly matched. Okay, so answer is none. Okay, tell me how many, because I have deliberately made this question to help you, because UPSC will ask this kind of question. Yes, people are there. Arya is there. Ashika is there. Understood? Understood how the trap is getting created. Okay. So if you don't see that, and thing is, I given all three as a first option also, so that you don't think about it. So always remember, don't jump into answering just by seeing the first option. You go through all the options you go through, then you decide which is the answer. Okay, and also if I've given 30 minutes means utilize that 30 minutes. I could see people are completing within 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 6 minutes. What's the use of it? Where are you running? Where are you running away? Understood? Okay, so this is how you have to take the exam very seriously. Go through all the options, then you decide. Okay, this question is actually, I have sent this question already in the group. Okay, Maldives is a full member of BIMSTEC. That is not correct. Okay, that is not correct. India is a full member of Colombo Security Conclave. That is correct. Now, as an assignment, if I have not given already, you have to find out who are the members of BIMSTEC. Okay, and that also you have to find out in the map. Okay, you have to find out in the map. Okay, then who was the members of Colombo Security Conclave? Okay, then that also in the map. When you start reading the map, then you are for the exam. Okay, otherwise you are preparing some other for example, if the target is in the northern side, you are going in the western side. There is no convergence of your preparation with the exam pattern. Okay, everybody should have one atlas with you. Okay, the best atlas, if you are asking, then the answer is Orient Black Swan, or Oxford also you can buy, no problem. Whenever something is coming, always check the atlas, find out where it is located. Okay, clear? So here BIMSTEC you have to find out. Okay, and in the descriptive question you can ask this question, like why India is not focusing on SARC. Okay, why India is undermining SARC and promoting BIMSTEC can be a question. Okay, or like this, please write down this question. At the cost of SARC, India is promoting BIMSTEC. Critically analyze the statement. At the cost of SARC, India is promoting BIMSTEC. Okay, somebody is asking what is BIMSTEC. Okay, BIMSTEC is Bay of Bengal. What is that? I forgot that. Okay, it is a Bay of Bengal group. Okay, you can check it. India is part of it. Myanmar is there. Bangladesh is there. Sri Lanka is also there, I think. Okay, the Bay of Bengal group. Okay, BIMSTEC. Okay, so can be a question. Okay, next question also taken from current affairs. Okay, we had one article in the Hindu newspaper. This question copy pasted from Hindu. Okay, so Buria committee recommended for the PESA. Okay, PESA means Panchayat extension to scheduled areas. Okay, normally scheduled areas we cannot apply the Panchayat Raj as such. So we had a modified version of Panchayat Raj. Okay, modified version of Panchayat Raj. So that was recommended by Buria committee. That is absolutely correct, Your Honor. Okay, so that is correct. But second statement, the scheduled areas and scheduled tribe commission recommended 40%. See, if you want to declare any area as a scheduled areas, you need certain criteria. Okay, now somebody tell me which committee recommended for the criterias. Okay, which committee recommended for the criteria for the tribal areas to be? Okay, that you tell me. Okay, now here the actual answer is there is no minimum percentage required to declare an area as a scheduled areas. But this committee, scheduled areas and scheduled tribes committee, recommended for 40%, which the government did not accept it. Okay, so this is factually correct. But practically, there is no any minimum percentage you require for making an area as a scheduled areas. Both the statements are correct. Both the statements are correct. Clear? But I think that most of you might have gone for this as the wrong. Okay, because when I'm teaching something, I'm sharing that PDF. Okay, otherwise, if I'm not sharing, you ask for the PDF. You try to find out at least 1 or 2 points extra than what I've taught you. Okay, I am teaching the main important points. Then you have to find some more additional points. So keep that as a habit. After the class, what additional point I can learn from the same thing. Okay, this question is a very easy question, but I think there's a technical error in this. Okay, if it is 1 p.m. in India, what is the time in London? Okay, the time difference between India and London is 5 hours 30 minutes. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to simply minus 5 hours 30 minutes. Okay, what is the answer? What's the answer? It will be 7:30 a.m. is the answer. 7:30 a.m. is the answer. Okay, normally people will ask if it is a 12 noon in London, what is the time in India? You have to add 5:30. It is 5:30 p.m. in India. Okay, so 12 noon in London. Okay, in India you have to add 5:30. It becomes 5:30 p.m. But here I have reversed it. 1 p.m. in India. What is the time in London? You have to minus 5:30 hours. The answer is 7:30 a.m. Okay, is it clear? Anybody has got doubt? Please ask me. Don't wait for me to complete. Okay. This is a very easy question. I am not thinking that this will be an asked question. Just that I told you, anybody can answer type of question. This is one question. Fundamental right is taken from USA. It is known as Bill of Rights there. It is known as Bill of Rights. It is known as Bill of Rights. Okay, Sanjana, this one, that software has made a error. Okay, it is not 8:30. It is 7:30 only. Okay, that is 1 mark I can give you additionally. Don't worry. Okay, now right to property was removed. That is also very easy. Bacha question. Okay, what is the answer? Okay, I think some of you could have gone for this also if you are not attended my class properly. But the answer is 44th Amendment only. Okay, 44th Amendment by Janata Party. Okay, not by the Congress Party, Janata Party. This 86th Amendment, right to education becomes a fundamental right. Right to education becomes a fundamental right. 106th Amendment, we already seen 33% women reservation. Okay. Now, how many of you want to comment on my handwriting? Sir, your handwriting is very poor. Somebody tell me. Somebody tell me. Magna Carta, very good. Pujita, you are rocking, yaar. Huh? Magna Carta from USA. Okay, how many minimum judges should be? This is also taken from the current affairs because they are going to check whether electoral bond is constitutionally correct or not. Okay, this electoral bond. Okay, somebody tell me what is electoral bond. Okay, so how many judges should be there to announce a bench to be a constitutional bench? Then the answer is 5. Okay, if somebody has gone for 13, then you have some partial knowledge. Partial knowledge means this 13 judges come in Keshavananda Bharati case. Keshavananda Bharati case. In the Keshavananda Bharati case, 13 judges were there. At the time, that was all the judges of Supreme Court. But today we have 30 judges plus 1 Chief Justice. We have got 31 judges today. Okay. So Keshavananda Bharati case was a full judge bench at that time. 13 judges came together. Okay, somebody tell me which year was Keshavananda Bharati case. Okay. And in that only they came a concept of basic structure. Basic structure comes in that Keshavananda Bharati case, but the answer is 5 only. Okay, 5 people are there, then we can call that as a constitutional bench. Okay, now why it is in news? Because electoral bonds to be taken up whether that is constitutionally correct or not. Okay, this is also easy. I don't know whether somebody went for answer as A. Okay, but answer is this only. President is elected by the people. Then only we are republic. Okay, then only republic. Okay, now UK I am saying it is not republic. UK is not republic because the head of the state is the king who is not elected by the people. Whenever you have a head of the state, okay, who is elected by the people indirectly or directly, that is a republic. Okay, somebody give me another example of republic country. Okay, Athira is saying 1973. Okay. Okay. Consider the following statement. Yeah, this I have not taken in this week, but I have taken for some people as an ancient India. Okay. So earliest Buddhist works in Pali is correct. Okay. The Jain text in Prakriti is also correct. Okay. But this statement is not correct. Jatakas means they talk about Bodhisattva. Bodhisattva. Bodhisattva means the previous birth of Buddha. Previous birth of Buddha is taken as a poems, okay, as a stories. Okay. So it is Buddha, not Mahavira. So this statement is wrong. This statement is wrong. Okay. This statement is wrong. So first two statements are correct. Okay. Operation Polo also there was a news item in the Hindu newspaper. Okay. The Operation Polo is Indian Army conducted operation inside Hyderabad to integrate them to Indian Union. Okay. They wanted to join Pakistan. Okay. How it is possible? A big portion of India in the middle of India wanted to join Pakistan. We did not allow that. So Indian Army conducted an operation that is known as Operation Polo. Okay. And somebody tell me what is Operation Cactus? This also I told you when I was teaching last week in the class. Operation Cactus. Okay. See, one request is or one this one recommendation is people see how much time I am allotting for the test. Okay. If I am giving 25 questions, I am giving almost 30 minutes. You spend at least 25 minutes. I don't know. People are rushing within 2 minutes, 3 minutes. People have thought it is a video game. Click, 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 click. Where are you going? The moment you give time, then only you can score. Otherwise, you cannot score. Okay, so read the question properly. Read the question properly. See, there are certain tricks to clear the exam. First trick is read the question properly. Give enough time to the questions. Don't run anyway. This is also another easy question. Fraternity is taken from French Revolution. Okay, that is an expected question. Okay. Then female robo. Okay, it is Vomitra. Okay. I think the question is not given or what happened. The question is not there. Okay, CBDR also I have asked in the question. There was a climate change. I asked you to read that article completely. There was a very good article in Hindu about that one water. What is that? World Food Day. Okay, water is. Okay, I'll ask as a question. Tell me what is the theme of this year's World Food Day? Okay, who can tell me what is the theme of this year's World Food Day? No idea. Okay, so that article is very good. Please read that article. In that CBDR, common but differential responsibility. What it means is the developed nation has already polluted the world. So it is their responsibility to clean up this mess, because though they have to give more money, they have to give technology to the developing countries. Okay, so this is a concept of climate change. The moment I say climate change, two important keywords I told you. Tell me what is that keyword? Okay. Okay, this is also not taught in this week, but it's general GK basically. Gatka is from Punjab. Okay, Gatka is from Punjab. Kalaripeta from Kerala. Tangta from Manipur. This can be expected because something they will ask from Manipur. Water is good. Food is food for water. Ashwati, what are you right? Is that water is not good? It's not. I don't think that is correct. Ashika, water is food. Then one more part is there. Water is life, I think. Water is food. No. This way they'll confuse you. Okay, so you have to be very clear. I think water is food, water is life. That is what I think. Sanjana is answering. Okay. Satvahanas. See, Satvahanas, the moment Satvahanas, the strongest or you can say most popular king of Satvahana is Gautami Putra Satakarni. Gautami Putra Satakarni. Now, what does that Gautami Putra stand for? Gautami Putra stands for the mother name. Okay, so they are not patrilineal, they are matrilineal. They have the mother name. They have a mother name. They have the mother name. Okay, so this statement is wrong. Okay, but however, the other two statements are correct. Okay, they had a gold coins. The official language of Satvahanas are Prakrit. So you should have a separate notebook for the test only. Okay, there you will write the description test, whatever test I am giving. The test discussion should be there in that notebook. Keep that notebook. Okay, yeah, I'm going to conclude this. Okay, Anybody has any other doubts, you can ask me. Okay, Mauryan architecture, marble was used, that is not correct. Okay, this comes only when the Mughals are coming, that is time we have marbles are coming up, Jahangir and Shahjahan and all. Okay, yeah, mitigation adaptation, very good, Mani Bharati. Okay, Ashika also answered, very good, very good. I'm very happy that you guys are very interactively participating. Okay, so note this day, every Wednesday we'll have a discussion of the test which are conducting on the same day. The test will be available in our mobile app. Okay, then discussion will do it in the YouTube. Okay, so that is the time when we are revising, when we are looking back what we have studied for the week. Okay, otherwise what happens, we keep on study, and when the exam comes we'll forget everything. Okay, so this statement is wrong, but other two statements are correct. Okay, I'll take up any questions anybody has got, otherwise I'm winding up the session. Okay, so if I look at the rank list, I'll tell you who is the first person. You want the rank? As if now. Okay, but it's just an immaterial that your rank is there or not, rank is not there. Okay, just you compete with yourself. You try to score better than what you scored last time. That's the only thing you need. Okay, okay. Otherwise, you don't worry about this rank and all. Okay. I'm not saying who is the first rank, but I'll tell you who are the people who got better mark together. Okay. I can see Divya, Atira, Maria, Fida. Okay. Then I can see Abhiram. Okay. Ashika, Arya, and all these people have done. Okay. Those people have got more than 25 mark. I have just mentioned their name. Ashwati also 25 and above. Okay. The 50 mark is the mark total I have asked. Okay. And I've also got negative marks. So you have to be very careful when you are answering. Okay. So how was the session? Let me know. Do you want this kind of session again and again, or you don't want? Please tell me so that we can accordingly we can modify the session. Okay. Please let me know your feedback. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay. All of you have my mobile number. Any kind of doubts or any mistakes I have made, please call me and inform me. Okay. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Indigenous UA. Indigenous UA is Rustam. Rustam is an indigenous. Rustam. We have built something called Rustam. Indigenous UAV. Dark Squad Gaming. I don't. Good. Okay, but I want Vishnu Priyan. You have completed the test only in 6 minutes and all. Not good. You people have to spend time. Good. See my. I don't know whether my audio was good. I have just corrected it. Last my lives and all not good. It's very bad. This audio was okay. We're trying to bring video also better. Please spread the news to everybody, your friends, that